Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox Boya mic that is very best for all new YouTubers. If you are planning to create a new YouTube channel, then this is the best mic, and you know voice quality is very important for your YouTube channel. If your video quality is a little bit low, that's alright, but as far as voice is concerned, it plays an important role in your videos. This mic is very easy to use. You can read instructions manual. Let me show you everything. If I talk about noise reduction, it works very well. A lot of people say that this mic is not supporting in their cell phones. While there is nothing like that, actually you just need to install two applications in your cell phone. The first one is Open Camera. If you want to record a video, then simply download Open Camera from Play Store. The second application is Easy Voice Recorder. When you are recording a voice, then simply install Easy Voice Recorder from Play Store. I will give both applications link in the description box. Let me tell you one thing, when you are recording your videos through this mic, you will have to do a setting in Open Camera app. Let me tell you that. Make sure you do this setting before recording your videos. After downloading Open Camera app, you just simply open it. Tap on setting icon on the right, then scroll down, tap on video setting. Again scroll down, now click on audio source, then just tap on external mic if present. Now you are done. Similarly, you have to do a setting in the Easy Voice Recorder applications. When you are recording a voice, simply open Easy Voice Recorder application, just tap on three dot, then click on setting, tap on sound quality, select high large files. After doing it, click on advanced and troubleshooting, then tap sleep mode while recording, and now you select allow screen off. Here you did all the settings successfully. Now whether you want to record a video or a voice, you will find awesome quality. If I talk about quality, its quality is very nice. Wires are pretty lasting. Audio quality is also super. Right now I am recording with this same mic. Although I am speaking in a low voice, yet audio quality is quite amazing. I highly recommend you this Boya mic if you are a new YouTuber. What is your opinion about this mic? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll come back with a new video. Till then, keep spreading a smile.